Hey guys, BigDaddyHoffman1911 coming to you today. And I went to a gun show yesterday and I found this CZ455. And it's a 22 long rifle. It's really a sweet looking rifle. Look at, very good shape. I got it used. Don't know a whole lot about it, but it's supposed to be one of the best shooting 22s around, so we'll find out. Guys, what I've sort of surprised about is I'm using the CCI 22 long rifle ammo, and it's at 1,070 feet per second. That's just standard velocity. All right, and so I don't think you really need ear protection for this. What do you think, Jason?
I don't think so. I think we should give it a shot.
I know it's 40 grain, so we're going to give it a shot, and then I'm going to put some regular CCI, a little higher velocity ammo in it. We'll see what happens. All right. So I just got it yesterday. I think I'm going to really enjoy it. And all right, here we go, our first shots. Man, I love the sights on this thing. Oh, we got a hit.
It's like a pellet gun.
Yeah, it is really sweet. You hear how quiet that is?
Very quiet.
It is very quiet. I got another round here, buddy. There we go. Now I'm going to try some of the other ammo in it and let you see a difference in the sound of it, okay? Jason, you're going to try it.
All right.
All right.
All right, what are we loading, guys?
We're shooting some mini mags, 1,235 feet per second. It's definitely going to break the sound barrier. But what we're finding is, with this ridiculously long barrel, is that it's hearing safe at the trigger.
Oh, we hope so.
Yeah.
You sure you can handle that high capacity magazine?
I know, it's a very high capacity. So,
all right, here we go.
no ears. And you can definitely hear it break the sound barrier down there, but right here, it's fine.
Hey, shoot the squirrel.
Okay.
No, don't shoot the squirrel. No, it's not. You don't have a squirrel hunting license there, buddy.
Shoot a squirrel. I mean, the squirrel runs across the. That's an action target right there.
Moving target.
All right, well,
I'm not going to shoot the stingers without ears on.
No, you put your ears on, shoot.
Yeah.
all right. So what we're gonna load up right now?
These are stingers, 1,640 feet per second.
All right, 1,640 feet per second. This should make a big difference.
Yes, Greg, you want to shoot this without your ears on?
No, you go ahead. I'll watch.
Always protect your hearing. Okay, buddy. Let's see how this sounds.
Jason, you don't need it, man.
Don't need it?
No. No noise.
All right. Here's the safety right here.
Yep.
Throw it.
Wow. Can't believe I'm shooting stingers without ear protection on.
You might need ear protection.
You really don't.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't tell because I got sport ears in.
I really think it's because that barrel is so long. I don't have any idea what's happening there.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's
Let me
just
have one of those other rounds we started with.
Maybe it's just a magical CZ.
Hey, it's that Stinger's 1,640 feet per second.
All right, and this is not, but what is the velocity of this?
This one's 10. Here, you hold it. Give me the map. This is the 10 velocity.
1040.
1040.
Rule.
I bet you it's going faster than that out of this barrel.
Yeah, because of the length of it.
Well, we'll have us back out on the range and do some testing on this. I've never had a 22 that was this quiet. All right, Jason, let's do it.
All right, I'm gonna shoot the rubber dummy.
Now that's a lot quiet, much quieter. Is that not cool?
That's cool. It's accurate too.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this home, okay?
Nope.
Too cool for you.
And it's a CZ.
Yeah. Why you say it's all surprised like that? CZs are awesome.
CZs are awesome. And I'm sure somebody can tell us why this thing is so quiet.
There it is. There's a reason.
Why?
Made in the Czech Republic.
Is that it? No, I don't have any idea. But you're definitely going to see this one back out on the range again. And we'll do some testing on that, Jason.
Yeah. We probably should look it up on the internet, huh?
Yeah, I think so.
Very cool.
All right, guys, I'm glad you got to see my new purchase, gun show find there. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I don't know if we can find any information. Jason will link it underneath the video. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, favor, and subscribe. Keep up to fight against gun control. Check us out on Full30. And what else, Jason? Anything else?
Nope.
Sweet CZ22 quiet
Pistol or rifle pie.
rifle pie. Take care, guys. Hoorah.